Hey, what's up, guys? Me and Shayla are back. We got the tires changed on my car, right, Shayla?
Yeah.
And they feel a lot smoother, I think. Do you think, Shayla? Or did you change your mind again?
Yeah, they do. And you got all four changed, not just
yeah, I got all four changed. I got... What does the receipt say? Dude, it was like $1,200. It was expensive. What type are they? I don't know. I can't find it. I think they start with the Y, though. And they were a bit thicker. Does it say on there the measurements? Did he say they were 235 instead of the 225s?
235/45.
Yeah. Because they didn't have any. Dude, I'm so glad they had these though, because I needed new tires. What did he say the tread was at? It was at like the
2.
Yeah, dude, it was low on the back. On the front, it was he said it was at the point where they start recommending tire changes, right?
Yeah.
So the fronts weren't bad, but the back, oh my goodness.
They're Yokohama brand.
Yokohama.
Huh?
Yokohama. And we're gonna go watch a movie. The Quiet Place. No, it's A Quiet Place, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's day 1.
Nice. I think it's gonna be good. Dude, I really wish we could watch The Strangers again. I wish we weren't little when the first Strangers came out, so we could have watched it in theaters.
I really want to watch Maxine, because
I know.
they were saying that it's like actually kind of scary.
I think it's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
The first two were so good.
I like the second one better than the first one.
No, the first one was better. I don't know. The first one was just a lot more like scary movie, actually. The second one was like a drama movie. You don't think so? I think it felt more like a drama movie.
I like that kind of movie.
Oh yeah. I mean, it was good, but I think the first one was better.
I like the second one
I don't know. It's okay to disagree.
way more.
Look, there's acrylic mine. Wait, no, that's not like mine.
Okay. I can't tell. What are they doing? Are they waiting on the bus?
People hang out there all the time for the bus. Every time I drive here.
It'd be so hot though.
I used to get gas at this gas station, and sometimes it was so hard getting out. When I used to work at the Papa
Dude,
John's over
someone
there.
got $8 of gas.
Dang. Maybe they have a motorcycle.
Oh, maybe. It's 2.1 gallons. Maybe they got like 2-gallon jugs.
Yeah.
Now you get to kind of actually test them out.
Yeah.
Since we're going in the other state.
Oh, you know why they might be more smooth? Because they're not run flats. Because remember I asked him for non-run flats? That's probably why they're more smooth. No, I see why people hate run flats now. I'm never getting run flats again, Shayla. After driving this,
Dude, they paved this. Right?
Yeah. I think they did that a while ago, though. It's been paved for a little now.
I don't remember ever seeing it like this. Dude, this feels really smooth. Especially on this page.
I know. This feels like driving on clouds at 100 miles per hour. No, this is actually crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely never getting run flats again. These definitely are a lot better.
You want to sip of this one?
After I stop driving. I'm not really that thirsty. Look. So first, we're going to Target, right? Or do you want to go to Target or somewhere else? Because we just need to kill time until the movie starts.
Where? Actually, PetSmart.
PetSmart. Okay, and that's right next to the mall. Watch this. It's a pretty warm day, so that's normal.
I feel like that tire needs more tire pressure.
It's just 1 PSI.
Why are your back
The back ones, well, what it says on the door is the back ones need to be 38, the fronts need to be 34.
Oh, look, it went up.
Yeah, it goes up as it warms up.
Okay. I hope when people drive behind me, they don't think, what is this girl doing? Oh my gosh. You see that? Look how high you got.
Should I test it? Look, what if that is her? Dude, those windows are dark. Ah. Jeez.
It's this.
Oh. Do you think I can match someone's speed? Will that look cool? Will that look kind of funny?
No.
See if I can match it. No. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try to get in between this truck and this white car. That's genius, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep, right here. Come on, guys. Please.
Dude, I hate when I get in situations like that.
I feel like it's never busy enough on this side to where that usually happens, but today it did. Should I cross the solid white line?
Remember when we were driving and I was behind you and I kept telling you, why aren't you getting over? And you were like, it's a solid white line.
Yeah.
And then you were like, I'm trying to be a good driver. I really hope he sees me. This is so scary.
Yo, that guy's truck is falling apart. No, dude, no, he actually needs to get that fixed.
That's gonna fly off and hit someone's
No, I was
car
about to
like
say, that is a huge part that is about to fly off. That is definitely gonna hit somebody's car.
Might even kill someone.
Yeah.
I think it's so cool when like you have to type something on there, you could draw on this.
Oh, I was doing that when I was signing back into my BMW thing after I changed my password.
Wait, why'd you change your password?
So I could get the drive recorder thing because I forgot my login.
I remember whenever, I think it was around Christmas time, when me and Mom and Chris, we all came here, and the line was backed up so far, and Chris was so mad, and he just like cut through there like that, because he got so mad.
What do you mean he cut through there?
Because we were like in line right here, and he like cut through a bunch of cars to get there to turn to go a different way,
Bruh.
but he was like cutting through like a lot of cars. Just Chris has road rage.
That's funny.
He has a lot of road rage when he's like driving the work truck, you know?
Why?
Okay, because he said people cut him off. But that's a really cool car right there, actually.
Oh, yeah?
But he says people cut him off all the time in the big truck. You know, Genesis kind of looks kind of like a Porsche. We're going to the mall.
Oh, you wanted to go to PetSmart?
I thought this one was on this side.
Dude, that's the interstate.
Well, I'm lost. Dang, your car sounds really good right now.
I really like these tires. They feel so much smoother. Like really, can you tell? Or are you just saying it because I'm saying it?
No, I really can.
I should let you drive it. Not in Westtown.
Yeah, not in Westtown. Please don't let me drive in Westtown.
But trust me, you will feel the difference. And now I don't have to worry for when we go to the beach. Especially since they're brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Just hopefully they put my lug nuts on right. Hopefully they don't fall off. I like my blinker sound. I like blinker sounds.
I know, I do too. I wonder what his blinker sounds like. Are Genesis nice cars?
Some of them are, yeah. They have some pretty nice cars, actually. Nice Mustang, bro. 5.0. Cool.
Whoa.
What?
They kind of scared me. We should go in there too.
Okay. Should I park right up front like you like?
Yeah.
Why do you hate walking?
I don't.
Shayla always makes me park my car super close.
No, especially like when it's hot though. Because like I don't want to be in the sun for longer than.
Oh, dang it. I was going to park there, but those are... Wait, what about... Oh, that's handicap. Should I just park right here?
Yeah, that's fine. But like in a parking lot like this, I don't care. But like when you park at the very end of Walmart parking lot, when Walmart's like a mile away from the end,
Dude.
then I don't like it. Especially in the heat. But if it was cold, I wouldn't care.
Oh, I forgot to end the video. Well, we're not ending it. I'll be back.
Yeah.
But we gotta go inside the store, so I'll be back. Jeez. But these tires really do feel a lot better. And now we're just gonna go get Taco Bell, right?
Yeah.
I think. Oh my god. I was going kind of fast. I can't cross over, Shay. That's a solid white line.
Last time we drove this way and I was following behind you, like I was scared because the exit was like kind of blocked off.
Oh yeah.
I was really scared.
Look, there's a BMW to our left. 328. I see a lot of 328s. Do you?
Yeah, I do a lot.
I feel like I hear something out there. Do you think it's the truck behind us? I feel like I hear like
Yeah, it's probably the truck. Like there's another one to the left of us. He's going really fast.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, that's really not that fast. He's probably going like 65. 'Cause we're only going 50, and he's really not going that much faster than us. It doesn't look like. I would say 65 is probably safe for a truck. Not probably when there's construction around like this.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of traffic, but like if we're actually cruising, I feel like 65 or 75 is like what most people do, isn't it?
Yeah. Chris goes like 80 on the interstate. And he gets mad when people don't go 80. They don't really have it blocked off anymore.
Yeah. I really hope they finish it soon though.
Yeah.
I don't
really
like
hope-
when there's construction everywhere.
I know, I really hope that they finish it on I-75 soon too. Cause I've
Is that the road we take to your house?
Yeah, the one that wants so much traffic. That's I-75.
Dang. And there's a lot of traffic. Definitely putting it in eco. Dude, look, is this the same cars but one's clean and one's dirty? I think so.
Where?
This and this.
Oh yeah. See, this is why Blake said he doesn't like it here because he said that he almost got back on the interstate.
That happened to me once, bruh. But because like when I used to deliver pizzas, you see the road next to that one, like right up there. That's the road I was supposed to take to that tiny little. It's not even a neighborhood. It's just like a road that like occasionally has houses. And I went there and I had to go all the way over there to that one exit and then loop around, get on that exit and come back and get on this exit.
He said he did this exit, this like way to get on to like where he works at, you know, because he works down here. And that's the road exit he takes sometimes. But he said he actually got back on the interstate and made him so mad, so he doesn't take this way anymore.
I'll never forget the time. Oh, look there. See, I cut through that grass back there for my delivery.
Yeah, I see.
Dude, that was so easy. Would you have just walked? When I saw how close it was, dude, I was like, I'm not even
I don't
taking.
get why they didn't just walk.
No, that's what I was saying, because they had to pay the delivery fee and then they also tipped me. Like, they could have left their house for literally probably like 5 minutes and could have had the pizza for cheaper.
Yeah, and not have to tip too.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe they just really couldn't leave the house for those 5 minutes though.
Maybe they have a baby.
Maybe. Dude, we should get Panda Express one day. I don't even know what they sell there, but I really want to. Like right now?
Yeah, we should.
Where is it? Is it here?
I really don't know.
Shoot, should I just go in here? Cause I think we missed it. I think we're gonna have to loop back around. Uh-oh. Dude, I'm kind of confused, so I think I'm gonna end the video actually. Should I? While we figure this out. Alright guys, I'll be back soon.